Hello and welcome to HoverX. I'm Shubham. Today we are going to see how we can customize browser's default cursor into something like this. So let's get started. So before moving forward, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for watching more front-end development videos. So now let's see how we can change this default cursor into our own custom cursors. So if we go to the MDN docs, we can see that cursor property in the CSS accept many values like help, weight, crosshair. Now let's say if we set the cursor to help, the cursor icon changes to question mark, as you can see. Now if we change it to zoom in, the cursor icon changes to zoom. Now if we scroll down here, we can see that it also accepts a URL property. Now this URL accept the file path to the file of the cursor which we want. It can be only PNG file or SVG file, and it also accept the second keyword which will be auto pointer, which is mandatory. Then only cursor will work. So let's see in action how this will work. So I already have some styling set like in body and some basic styling for card. So let's first set custom cursor in the body. Now we have to give a cursor property. After that we have to give URL. Now this URL can be path of any external link or saved local file, which is in this case I have three files with the three different sizes. So one is 32 pixel, another is 128 and another is 512 pixel. So let's try with 32 pixel, and we have to also give a mandatory second argument here, which in this case I can give it auto. Now as you can see, the cursor has been changed to our custom icon. Now one thing to know that is the maximum file size of PNG which browser accepts is up to 128 pixels. Let's say if I change my file to 128 pixel size, you can see that my cursor is now larger. Now let's try to change it to 512 pixel. What will happen? So as you can see, no longer the cursor is working because browser restrict the file size to be of maximum 128 pixel. That's why. So let's move it back to 128 pixel file size, and also only PNG and SVG files are supported. No other file format is supported in the browser. Now you can become creative and also add multiple cursors based on the different elements in your web page. For example, here is some circle here I have drawn. Now I want to give a different cursor here. Now this time let's use external URL. Now I have already external URL copied, and also don't forget to give a second argument. Now as you can see, as I hover over this circle, the cursor changes to the external URL file which I had provided, and if I go to the body, it goes back to our original cursor. That's how you can change the cursor using CSS only. Hope you like this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the HoverX. Thanks for watching.